Go.
Okay, guys, we're open the second.
Yeah, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. I hope we don't get any comments. I think we are going to, because we chose to wrap them. But Maxie didn't see. Ah! Camera's off again. We're making 2 videos. Once we remember us. I want to open one. Dishy liquid! Dishy liquid! I don't. Dishy liquid. Can you see it? This is Dishy liquid. This is Dishy liquid. My finger. That is Dishy liquid. He's Dish Show. By the way, he's Dish Show. He's Dishy liquid. He's
Open 2.
Let's take this to the side.
Okay. Go.
Okay, we're open seconds.
You're so adorable. His ear. Look at his ears. They look too big from him. What is that? Is that juicy orange? That is juicy orange. Wait, my camera's not working. This is juicy orange. This is juicy. Hey.
Okay, guys, we're open
Juicy orange. Oh, not yet. Come here. Show the camera this. Juicy orange.
this.
So adorable. Look at his.
Go.
Okay, guys, we're open 2 seconds.
I want to shoot the liquid and juicy orange. Looks so cute together. What did you get? What'd you get? You got flutter cake. Let me see. Can I see it? Flutter cake. And his whole house. By the way, these things have holes. One memento.
But also,
We have a serious problem.
we're open 2 seconds.
Sorry. Did I show the camera? Flutter cake.
Go.
Flutter cake. This is flutter cake.
Okay, yeah. We're open 2 seconds.
More Shopkin fun. We should name the video Shopkin fun. We're not sure what we're gonna name it.
We're open 2 seconds. Let's go.
Shopkin flutter cake. Ooh.
Okay.
This is our last one. Bloop. Cool. Okay. Filming each other. Breadhead? Is he a loaf of bread? It's a loaf of bread, right? Breadhead.
Monkey.
This is Breadhead.
Monkey.
Breadhead.
Monkey.
Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.